Greetings all, it's the 16th of June 2024 from Sandown Raceway out of Keith Pace, Secretary of TSOA, Keith Pace's BMW M4. I found this footage on the Garmin, Club Garmin, and I thought you would like to see how this thing goes, okay? See, oh.
129.27.
I'd be flat out doing 170 at the end of the straight. He's going to do 200. Goodness. And his last lap was 129. That's 7 seconds faster than... He's chasing Christine Crombie in that Volkswagen Sirocco. Now I do 170 at the end of the main straight, and he's doing that at turn 5. Oh, Keith. 220. Maron. Oh. Awesome. Sounds fantastic too. Oh, Christine, she's a good driver. You can keep up with her, Keith. I think the Sirocco is four-wheel drive too. I'm not sure on that. I think we'll do a couple of more laps, eh? Go. Come on. 127. Jeez. My goodness. Almost 220 kilometers an hour. Oh, it's one of those little VW fun car. They've got I believe, an Audi turbo. This is in regularity, so... Oh, my goodness. And you're 3 seconds slower, see the delta? That means you're 3 seconds slower than you were at this point last lap. That's 5 seconds slower here. My goodness. Oh, Keith. And this is a road car. P.S. The previous owner crashed it because he turned off his traction control, I think. Oh, still slide. Yep. Go. Oh, fantastic, Keith. That is awesome. Anyway, how good's that? Well done, Keith Pace. Fantastic. See ya.